Hello! My name is Angel. Hello, my name is Hello, my name is Angel, and welcome to my first vlog. I'm gonna get my braces. It's almost 12 p.m. and we're gonna go to my appointment now. See ya!
Once again.
Char. Kanta ka. Sing the Robinson's Supermarket.
Good time. Were you recording it?
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Paano yan po ang Robinson's Supermarket jingle? Memorize to me. Oops! Yay!
Or the fourth thing. That's it, Ash. Please help. Eric told the orthodontist to wire my mouth shut so I can't eat.
Once again.
O ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat
2,000 years later.
Okay, tapos na ako pagka-braces. Ready na kang makita. Oh my God.